In the manufacturing industry, forming tools are an essential service that is used to shape and form raw materials into finished products. Forming tools are used in a variety of manufacturing processes, including stamping, forging, and extrusion. These tools are designed to apply pressure to the raw material, causing it to take on the desired shape and form. The process of forming can be complex and requires a high level of precision to ensure that the finished product meets the required specifications. Forming tools are typically made from high-quality materials such as steel, carbide, or ceramic. The choice of material depends on the specific application and the type of material being formed. The design of the forming tool is also critical, as it must be able to withstand the high pressures and forces involved in the forming process. The tool must also be designed to minimize wear and tear, as this can affect the quality of the finished product. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom forming tools. With over 50 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and knowledge to design and manufacture forming tools that meet the specific needs of their clients. The company uses state-of-the-art technology and equipment to ensure that their tools are of the highest quality and precision. Berkness Company understands the importance of forming tools in the manufacturing industry and is committed to providing their clients with the best possible service. They work closely with their clients to understand their specific needs and requirements, and then design and manufacture tools that meet those needs. The company also offers a range of other services, including tool repair and maintenance, to ensure that their clients' tools are always in top condition. If you are looking for a reliable and experienced company to provide you with custom forming tools, Berkness Company is the perfect choice. You can learn more about their services by visiting the Contact Us page on their website. The company's team of experts is always available to answer any questions you may have and to provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. Contact Berkness Company today to learn more about their services and how they can help you with your forming tool needs. FAQs. 1. What is a forming tool in manufacturing? A forming tool is a cutting tool used in manufacturing to shape or form a workpiece into a desired shape or size. It is typically made of high-speed steel or carbide and is designed to withstand the high forces and temperatures involved in metalworking processes such as forging, stamping, and bending. 2. What are the different types of forming tools? There are several types of forming tools used in manufacturing, including punches, dies, bending tools, and extrusion tools. Punches are used to create holes or indentations in a workpiece, while dies are used to shape or cut the workpiece. Bending tools are used to bend or fold the workpiece, while extrusion tools are used to create complex shapes by forcing the workpiece through a die. 3. How are forming tools used in manufacturing? Forming tools are used in a variety of manufacturing processes, including metalworking, plastics processing, and ceramics manufacturing. They are typically used in conjunction with other tools and equipment, such as presses, hammers, and lathes, to shape and form the workpiece. The specific application of a forming tool will depend on the type of tool and the manufacturing process being used. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.